The limbic system, that is known as the border of the basal ganglia, that covers the basal ganglia, and it is present within the cerebrum. It performs important role for controlling the behavior and emotions. The part of the limbic system, amygdala, fornix, mammillary body, parahippocampus, gyrus, hypothalamus, these parts are known as limbic system. For example, in front of you, a lion or bear. So the signal from cerebrum to the amygdala, and after that from amygdala into the hypothalamus, and hypothalamus, the largest part of the limbic system, the largest part of the limbic system controls the emotions and behavior. It controls the fear, it controls anger, it controls sadness. Even during sexual contact, during feeding, I think it's enough. During sexual contact, during feeding time, our fears, anger, or sadness movement, hypothalamus controls. And now we are coming to our point that, for example, suppose sometimes it's real, a lion in front of you, your brain said the signal goes from the cerebrum to the amygdala and then to the hypothalamus, and hypothalamus works and said to you, the signal goes from the ventricles, nuclei to the body, and your body responds and goes for the safe place. This is the function of the limbic system.